Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's quiz session. The topic of our today's quiz is Morphology of Flowering Plant. Welcome to today's quiz session, students. As you know, you have to participate in the quiz using Unacademy learning app. So download the learning app as soon as possible. Okay. Download the learning app as soon as possible and then click on the test option. Okay, then click on the test option. Then click on join quiz, and I'll be telling you the quiz ID. I'll be telling you the quiz ID now. So, students, welcome to today's quiz session. Today's quiz ID is 564971. Students, today's quiz ID is, let me write it over here. It is 564971. Okay. Students, you need to download Unacademy Learning app. Then click on the plus section, click on the test, and click on join quiz. You can join quiz but only by downloading Unacademy Learning app. Okay, you can join or you can enter into the quiz only via Unacademy Learning app. Okay, welcome to today's quiz session. Today's topic is Morphology of Flowering Plant, class 11 topic. Okay, 564971 is today's quiz ID. How are you guys? How are you guys? Hi, Surbi. Yes. So, join today's quiz session. Join today's quiz session. Today's quiz ID is 564971. And as you know, yes, hacking god, let's learn, right? So join today's quiz session 564971. As you know, you all will be earning referral points by participating in this quiz, okay? Many students who are kind of regular in this 12 o'clock quiz session, every day I am live with new topics of quiz, okay, from the entire NEET UG syllabus. So welcome to this awesome channel called Let's Crack NEET UG in English. And welcome to your favorite quiz session. Today's our topic is Good Morning Hacking God. Hi Surbhi. I'm repeating the procedure. Please tell your friends also how to connect. You need to download an Academy Learning app. This awesome app should always be there on your smartphones, okay? Hi Anik. Download an Academy Learning app quickly, guys. Quickly. Today's quiz session gonna be an easy one and earning one, rewarding one, because we know that you will be learning referral points. You'll be earning referral points or virtual money. And I have already told you the benefits of earning those referral points. What are the benefits? Good morning. What are the benefits? What are the benefits? See, you'll be able to spend those referral points in buying any of the Unacademy courses online. Okay. So students join the quiz session using the quiz ID 564971. Hi Sorodeep. Participate in this quiz, students. So as we all know, my name is Aditi Gupta and I have been mentoring students for the past 6 years for their NEET UG preparation. Okay, students, I myself have secured an all India rank of 61 in prestigious GATE examination, and by profession I am a research scientist. Okay, but I left my lucrative R&D job to follow my passion for teaching. So here I am to guide you. Okay, I am here to be a part of your journey of becoming a successful doctor. So to be under guidance, what you need to do is you need to get subscription for Unacademy platform. Okay. See, you need to download this awesome app, this Unacademy learning app. As I have already discussed, we can participate in the quiz session. You can even learn via these special classes which are available absolutely free of cost through this app. So you all must have this Unacademy learning app. Go explore all the features it contains. Okay, it is gonna definitely benefit you. So after downloading and installing, you need to click on get subscription. Okay, after selecting your option of NEET UG, because we are NEET aspirants, we are here to become doctor. Okay, so we are future doctors over here, right? So click on get subscription. Now students, what are the benefits of getting an academy subscription? First of all, for example, if you are out in the market, you are out for buying something, so you must know the benefit of that particular product, right? Then only you pay, you spend your money and you buy something. Okay, similarly, what are the benefits of having or buying or taking this Unacademy subscription? See, first of all, as we know, the correct preparation strategy is the proper concept clarity. That means the guidance from proper intellectual teacher who has the experience, who has the experience of mentoring thousands and thousands and thousands of students. Okay, who has the idea of the exam pattern, the question paper pattern, all those things. Apart from that, first of all, this was the learning part. Okay, learning from the best of the best possible minds. Then second is, when you will be learning and you will be practicing questions, you will be having doubts. Second is, you must have regular doubt sessions, doubt clearing sessions. Okay, then the third is the proper well researched study material. The third component which is required is the proper well structured study material. Okay, and the fourth component is the practice part. Okay, now let us see what Unacademy has to offer in its plus platform. See, every day you will be getting daily life classes of all the three subjects, physics, chemistry and biology, from topmost educators available from all across the country. And students, you are well aware of the fact that Unacademy platform contains brightest minds from all across the country in this platform. Okay, so do not miss this opportunity. Okay, then in case, first of all, you will be having daily live classes. After that, you will be having daily doubt clearing sessions. Okay, apart from doubt clearing sessions, in case if you have missed any of the live classes due to any reason, then you can anytime go and watch the videos later on. Okay, so what happens in this way, none of your classes goes missing. Okay, you have the crystal clear clarity of each and every topic which is being taught in the class, which is not available in any other mode of teaching, right? For example, considering the offline mode. Okay, then talking about students, then talking about how the course will flow. See, I'm telling all the details. First of all, I'll repeat the quiz ID. Today's quiz ID is 564971 students. I'm telling you the benefits of having an academy subscription. Okay, see, enormous amount of literature is available on YouTube, but how to filter that which is the best one, how to get the best one without wasting time. Okay, how to get the personalized caring, how to get into the personalized care, how to be sure that yes, whatever we are getting is the ultimate thing and we don't have to wonder what else we need to learn. So this is the one step solution for all your problems. See, the complete NEET UG syllabus will be taught to you in a detailed manner. Okay, in a detailed manner, along with the PDF notes, and these PDF notes will be provided to you directly by the educator. Okay, so it is the well researched study material. Okay, nothing will be taught to you in a random way. The complete syllabus will be discussed in a proper detailed manner, conceptually. Okay, and then you will be evaluated timely on the basis of test and quizzes. For example, as we are performing the today's quiz session, similarly there are multiple quizzes and multiple test sessions. Okay, available on plus platform regularly. And also you will be getting daily ranking, you will be getting your daily ranking, you will be getting your ranking on the leaderboard. Okay, you can see your rank from among the competitors, from among all the competitors. And as you know, there are thousands and thousands of students who are enrolled in Unacademy Plus platform and are preparing for NEET UG. Okay, students, so they are your competitors for NEET UG examination, so you will be able to evaluate your performance, and definitely there is always a chance for improvement. So you are able to evaluate as well as improve your performance. Okay, through these live tests and quiz. Then through these live tests and quizzes. Then the last part is the unlimited access to all the NEET UG content. For example, this is not like for example ki you have enrolled for a certain teacher, then you get the content of that particular educator. No, students, you'll be getting the content of all the educators. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to click on get subscription. Student, today's quiz ID is I'm about to start the quiz. Join quiz using the Unacademy learning app. Today's quiz ID is 56, I repeat, 564971 is today's quiz ID. I'm giving you some time to join the quiz, okay? So download Unacademy Learning app, go to the plus section, go to the test section, then join quiz using the quiz ID 564971. Many of you are new to the platform. So I'm repeating the procedure again and again so that you don't miss the chance of participating in this quiz. Today's quiz ID is 564971. Okay, students? Now, see, if you need to, if you want to get subscription, then what happens, you will be seeing multiple options, but I would suggest, if you are a 2 year 10 pass students, then go for 2 year of subscription plan, and if you are a 12 studying or 12 pass student, then go for 1 year of subscription plan. And again, if you use my referral code AG001, you will be getting an instant 10% discount. That means you only have to pay rupees 27,000 instead of rupees 30,000 for 1 year, and only rupees 32,400 instead of rupees 36,000 for 2 year, only if you use my referral code AG001. Okay, students? Now, one more important announcement. See, why only 1 year or 2 year of subscription plan? Because this much amount of time is needed, this is required for NEET UG preparation. And also, since this is mid session, students who are targeting for NEET 2021 can also opt for the 6 month subscription plan. Okay, it only rupees 21,600. See, at the cheapest price, you will be getting the guidance, the best possible system available in this country. Okay, you will be getting guidance from topmost educators from all across the country. Okay, and don't forget to use my referral code AG001. Now, students, today's quiz ID is 564971. Let us start the quiz. I'll write the quiz ID again. Everyone, you can participate in this quiz using Unacademy Learning app. You cannot participate directly through YouTube. Okay, so I'm about to start the quiz. Students can join the quiz in the mid session. Again, I repeat, you will be earning referral points. You will be earning referral points. So don't miss this chance. You can spend those referral points in buying any of the Unacademy subscription online. So today's quiz is from the topic Morphology of Flowering Plants, class 11 topic. Okay, number of questions is 30, and you will be getting 60 seconds to solve each question. All the best. Do not do negative marking, students. Attempt the question only if you know the answer, you are confident about it. Okay, so here you go. I'm starting the quiz. All the best. So the very first question on the screen is: the scutellum observed in a grain of wheat or maize is comparable to which part of the seed in other monocotyledons? A. Cotyledons, B. Endosperm, C. Aileron layer, or D. plumule. So the scutellum observed in a grain of wheat or maize is comparable to which of the following, which part of the seed in other monocotyledons? Student, answer the question only if you are confident about it, because negative marking, we have to learn not to do negative marking. Okay, and by practicing, by participating in these quiz sessions, we will be learning this thing. So most of you know the answer. Very good. Akash, very good. Anik, Shibani, Sona, okay, Adimulam and Amrita. See, you are participating, this is the best thing, but do not attempt the question if you're not confident about it. Okay, and students, as we know, the quiz is continuously on, the timer is continuously on, so discussion is not possible in the mid of this quiz session. We'll be discussing separately in our learning sessions. Question number 2: a fruit developed from Hypanthodium inflorescens is called, is it called Saurosis or Syconus or Caryopsis or Hesperidium? Again, a direct question from inflorescence. Students can participate in the quiz by downloading Unacademy Learning app. Today's quiz ID is 564971. Again, a direct question, a very easy question from morphology. A fruit developed from Hypanthodium inflorescens is called. What happened? Most of you got confused. Now Shivani is on top. Very good. Do not do negative marking. Do not attempt the question if you don't know the answer. Do not attempt the question if you're not confident about it. Now, question number 3 is on the screen. The fruit is chambered developed from an inferior ovary and has seeds with succulent testa in. So the properties of the fruit are: the fruit is chambered, developed from an inferior ovary and has seeds with succulent testa in. A. Guava, B. Cucumber, C. Pomegranate, or D. Orange. Or D. Orange. Very famous chapter from class 11th where you will be encountered multiple examples. But try to recall, try to remember all the examples which are given on your NCRT, okay? So let's see who got it right. Only 40% of you got it right. Again, do not attempt the question. Although question looks very tempting, but do not attempt the question. Very good, Vinay. Vinay is on top now. Continuously, top three positions are continuously changing. So, question number 4. The endosperm is consumed by developing embryo in the seed of. Okay. So, the endosperm is consumed by developing embryo in the seed of A. Pea, B. Maize, C. Coconut, or D. Castor. In which among the following the endosperm is consumed by the developing embryo in the seed? Pea, maize, coconut, or castor? Students can participate in the quiz even now. You just have to download Unacademy Learning app, click on plus section, click on test, and join quiz by using today's quiz ID. Today's quiz ID is 564971. Do not do negative marking. Practicing questions in biology is very important because most of the time we are very much comfortable with the theory part. But to avoid silly mistakes in NEET examination, we must practice a lot of questions, number of questions from all the chapters. Very good, Vinay. This is how you will avoid doing negative marking because we know the level of question paper is quite easy. Okay, from the past 2 3 years, the level of question paper, it is the questions are entirely from the NCRT or NCRT based, right? So, in order to achieve to score high, you need to avoid doing negative marking. You need to be confident. Okay, so you need to practice a lot in biology because in physics and chemistry we usually have this practice. Question number 5. Which of the following is a flowering plant with nodules containing filamentous nitrogen fixing microorganism? Again, a very easy question. Crotalaria gentiana, Cycas revoluta, Cicer artianum, or Casuarina equisetifolia? Equisetifolia. Question number 5 is on the screen. Students, very easy question. I know each one of you can get it right. You have to identify the flowering plant which contains nodules, filamentous nitrogen fixing microorganism. Nodules containing filamentous nitrogen fixing microorganism. Which among the following is the right option, students? I want 100% accuracy. Okay. So this time Shivani got it. Very good. Let's see. Nitin, do not do negative marking. Leave the question if you are not sure. In which of the following fruits the edible part is juicy aril? See, there are certain, will encounter certain mistakes also. We will be rectifying it on the back end. Okay. In which of the following fruits the edible part is the juicy aril? Is it lychee or custard apple or pomegranate or orange? Very easy question and very famous example. Students, by earning these referral points, you can buy any of the Unacademy course while buying the subscription. Okay, you can spend these referral points in buying any of the Unacademy course online. Okay, via Unacademy Learning app or using or going to the website unacademy.com. Okay, and also you can get an extra 10% discount if you use my referral code AG001. So I think all of you will get it right. This question is very easy. What happened? Why you still got confused? Lychee is a very famous example. Very good, Shibani. Let us see if Nitin has improved. Yes, very good. Manoj Kumar, you have also improved. Congratulations. Everyone, now try to attempt only those questions for which you are 100% confident. Now, question number 7 is on the screen. Long filamentous threads protruding at the end of a young cob of maize are. Okay, we all have seen these long filamentous threads. Okay, on the young cob of maize. Now, what are their basic nature in terms of biology? Are they hairs, or they anthers, or they styles, or ovaries? This quiz ID is 564971. Yes. So, what are these long filamentous threads in the young cob of maize? Let's see, you got it right. So I think you guys got confused. 56% of you got it right. Shibani, again, you have a very good command. Vinay, you too. Surbi, good. Keep it up. Try to improve your score. Now, question number 8. Why is vivipary an undesirable character for annual crop plants? It reduces the vigor of the plant. It adversely affects the fertility of the plant. The seeds exhibit long dormancy, or the seeds cannot be stored under normal conditions for the next season. What can be the probable reason that vivipary is an undesirable character for annual crop plants? A good question. I'm live daily at 5 p.m. Apart from this 12 p.m. quiz session, I'm live daily at 5 p.m. in your favorite channel, Let's Crack NEET UG in English. And there, 3 days a week, I discuss class 11 chapters, and 3 days a week, I discuss class 12 chapters. Very good. Most of you got it right. Okay. In class 11th, today I'm going to start the biological classification. Sharp at 5 p.m. Similarly, in class 12, I'm discussing sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Okay. Apart from that, today at 6:45, I'll be taking a special class on Unacademy Learning app. And in today's class, I'm going to discuss about secondary growth in flowering plants. Okay. Tetradynamous conditions occur in A. crucifery, B. malvaceae, C. solanaceae, D. liliaceae. This is a super easy chapter and very scoring chapter. Okay. So, tetradynamous condition occurs in which one of the following condition? Friends, you are earning referral points. Don't forget, these referral points are virtual money. Okay, digital currency. So it is virtual money. You can spend those money in buying any of the Unacademy courses online. And to get an extra discount, you can use my referral code, that is AG001. Let us see who got it right. Student, don't lose your heart if you don't know the answer. Just keep practicing, keep learning. Okay. Shibani, I'm proud of you. Seriously, you have a really good command on this chapter. Vinay, you too. But still, I think there are certain lackings. Now, question number 10 is on the screen. What is the eye of the potato? Axillary bird, accessory bird, adventitious bird, or apical bird? Those students who are currently in class 12th, you have to focus on your board along with NEET 2021. Okay, so do not do not take anything for granted. Okay, neither boards nor NEET 2020. You have to work really hard. See, the chapter 1 which I'm discussing over here is important from both point of view. The questions are regularly asked in board examination along with NEET examination. So, any of you who have any doubts, like in my yesterday's class, I have discussed about the structure of anther and microsporogenesis. So, any of you, if you have any doubt in that class, go watch my class on this particular channel. Okay. You must know the reason behind each and everything. You must try to learn biology conceptually, not simply by mugging it up. Okay, because it is not possible to mug up every possible thing in biology. You will get confused 100% and you will do silly mistakes. You will end up doing silly mistakes. So, again, consistently the top three contestants. I've already discussed the concept of respiration in my special classes on Unacademy Learning app. So any one of you who have any doubts regarding the energetics, regarding any conceptual difference in the aerobic or anaerobic respiration, go watch my lectures over there. Similarly, I have discussed cell division, mitosis, and meiosis. You can clear your concepts if you have any doubts on Unacademy Learning app. The profile of my learning app is given on the description box. You can follow me there using that link. Okay. Edible part of banana is it epicarp, is it mesocarp and less developed endocarp, or endocarp and less developed mesocarp, or epicarp and mesocarp? What are the edible part of banana? What are the edible part of banana? Easy question, right? I think all of you will get it right. I think so, but in case you don't, then don't lose your heart. There's always a scope of improvement, there's always a chance of improvement, okay? And that is why we are practicing right now, so that we can improve ourselves. Okay, so that we can improve ourselves for neat real neat examination. We can see what are our weaknesses, we can work upon them to to avoid doing those silly mistakes in the final examination. These quiz sessions help us in learning, in evaluating our performance. Okay, it is very much important to learn, to take the theory classes, and it is also very much important to participate in these quiz sessions. So try to participate in as many as quiz sessions as possible. Okay. Question number 12. Pneumatophores are found in the vegetation which is found in marshy and saline lake, the vegetation which is found in acidic soil, xerophytes, or epiphytes. Pneumatophores, very famous term. Okay, we will be discussing the complete chapter of morphology at 5 p.m. sharp on this at 5 p.m. on this channel. Let's crack NEET UG in English, because we have started a brand new batch called Ignite batch. Okay, their physics, chemistry, and biology, all the three subject classes are running each and every day at their specified time, and the complete syllabus of NEET UG will be covered in this particular batch. Okay, so do follow the timings to get the maximum benefit. I think most of you knew the answer. Very good, Shibani. I'm really impressed. Vinay, you have also improved. Very good. See, try not to do negative marking. It's okay. Whatever score you are getting, it's okay. But try not to do negative marking, okay? And don't lose your heart. You can you can revise the chapter, you can relearn the chapter, or you can learn the chapter, okay? And you can improve your concept. So do not lose your heart. Do not get demotivated. These quiz sessions are for practice purpose, to see what sort of questions are asked from any particular chapter, so that when you revise the chapter, you will see, your brain will recall that yes, these type of questions are asked from this chapter, and I should pay attention while learning these concepts. Okay, so do not get demotivated based on the performance. You just try to get the motivation by participating in this quiz session. So question number 13, let's see who got it right. The hair found in the inflorescence of zea mays are modification of style, stigma, spathe, or filaments. The hair found in the inflorescence of zea mays are the modification of students. Let us see who got it right. So, see, this question is repeated, right? The previous question was the language is changed. Both the questions were same, but the language has changed. Okay. Question number 14. Which among the following is a geocarpic fruit? Is it carrot? Is it radish or groundnut or turnip? Very easy question. Students, simply by ruling out the options, you can solve this question. And I expect each one of you to get it right, because this is really a easy one, okay? And you will be earning referral points by participating in this quiz, okay? And you can spend those referral points in buying any of the Unacademy courses online. And also by using my referral code AG001, you will be getting an instant extra 10% discount on your course fee. Which among the following is a geocarpic fruit? Carrot, radish, groundnut, or turnip? Student can participate in the quiz using quiz ID 564971. But you can only participate through Unacademy Learning app. Yes. Still some of you got confused. Still some of you got confused. Very good, Shibani, Vinay, Anik. Anik, Amrita, improve. The largest flower is a very good question. To answer this question, first of all, you must know the example of the largest flower. Okay. So I'm getting the temptation of telling you the name of the largest flower, but I can't. I'll be telling you in the class itself. So the largest flower is a total root parasite, partial root parasite, total stem parasite, or partial stem parasite, or partial stem parasite. Okay. Largest flower is 15 questions. We have already covered the 50% part of the quiz. Only the 15 questions, that is the rest 50% part is left. Attempt only those questions about which you are 100% confident. Okay. Option A, Rafflesia, right? R for Rafflesia, R for total root parasite. Anyways, we'll be discussing about each and every examples when I'll be taking the classes of morphology of flowering plants. In the Ignite batch, we are following the sequence of NCRT. Okay, and that is why we cannot start any chapter randomly. We will be following NCRT sequence, and we will be covering the entire syllabus by February. Okay, so that we have the ample amount of time left to practice. And anyways, I am live daily at 12 p.m. for this quiz session with different chapters of NEET UG syllabus. In this quiz session, the chapter sequence can be in a random way. I just want you to get, habitual of solving questions, of practicing questions. I want that at least you see the questions from each and every chapter, what sort of questions are being asked in the examination. Okay. Also, students, every Sunday, I am live at 12 p.m. and 5 p.m. At 12 p.m., I discuss the NCRT part of the chapter which I have taught in this previous week, okay, in Ignite batch of class 12, along with the quiz session. And similarly, at 5 p.m., I'm live again with the NCRT part, okay, of the chapter of 11 class which I've taught in the previous week, along with the quiz session. So, I think, Vinay, you can do it, okay? That that means you are close to the score of the first, like the Shivani. So try to improve. Which of the following is a true fruit? Now, to answer this question, you first know the criteria. You must know the criteria of calling a fruit a true fruit. Is it a banana or fig or apple or pear? One of the following is a true fruit: banana, fig, apple, or pear. Friends, don't forget you are earning referral points by participating in this quiz. And let's see you got it right. Yay. Vani got it right. Everyone, try not to do negative marking, guys. Question number 18. Epipetalous and syngenesis stamens occur in. Epipetalous, must know the meaning of this term. Epipetalous, then syngenesis. Stamens occur in A. Solanaceae, B. Brassicaceae, C. Fabaceae, or D. Asteraceae. Asteraceae. Don't lose your heart if you are not able to answer the questions. Just go revise the concept of morphology again. While revising, uh, please bear these questions in mind, okay, so that you pay extra attention in the chapter part from where the questions are asked. Okay. Epipetalous and syngenesis stamen occur in among the following families: Solanaceae, Brassicaceae, Fabaceae, or Asteraceae. Must know the example from each one of these families. Okay, they're very famous families. While teaching this chapter, I'll be telling you some tricks which will help you recall the examples from this chapter. As This is entirely, this is the chapter with the largest, with the, enormous number of examples. Family delimited by type of inflorescence is Fabaceae, Asteraceae, Solanaceae, or Liliaceae. Question number 19 is on the screen. A family delimited by the type of inflorescence is Fabaceae, Asteraceae, Solanaceae, or Liliaceae. Today's quiz ID is Today's quiz ID is 564971. Students can participate in the quiz session by downloading an Academy Learning app. Okay, not through the YouTube. Have to download an Academy Learning app. Then, after installing it on your phone, click on plus, click on test, then join quiz using the quiz ID. Today's quiz ID is 564971. As you are well aware of the fact that topmost educators from all across the country are on this platform or on this amazing platform. Okay, and on this platform you get the flexibility of choosing your educator. Okay, you get the flexibility of choosing your educator. You have the flexibility of choosing your particular batch itself. Okay, which you don't get anywhere else. So you can choose your educator based on your understanding, your compatibility, and your convenience. And also you can select your choice of batch. Okay, while these facilities are available on Unacademy Plus platform. Vegetative reproduction of agave occurs through, very famous example, is it through rhizome or stolon or bulbils or sucker? Is it through rhizome or stolons or bulbils or sucker? Vegetative reproduction of agave occurs through. Okay, so most of you gave it right. Yes, absolutely correct. Very good. Shibani, Vinay, Amrita, Anik. I think everyone, most of you got it right, and you all have improved your score. Very good. Now, question number 21, last 10 questions of today's quiz session. Try to get it right. If you don't know the answer, just leave the question, okay? So, velamin is found in roots of screw pine, aerial and terrestrial roots of orchids, leaves of Ficus elastica, or aerial roots of orchids. So, velamin is found in roots of screw pine, aerial and terrestrial roots of orchid, leaves of Ficus elastica, or aerial roots of orchids. Very famous example, right? Again, this one is a scoring question, okay? So try to get it right. This is a very famous question. We learn about velamin in morphology and also in anatomy. So it is a very famous term. Try to get it right because don't forget you are earning virtual money. You are earning referral points for participating in this quiz session, and you will be able to buy any of these Unacademy subscription courses by spending these referral points, okay? So only 50% of you got it right. Who's all the updates regarding my quiz, okay, are already available on YouTube. For example, the topic of next day quiz is getting reflected on the YouTube on this particular channel. Let's crack NEET UG in English. So if you want to revise the topic, students, check the channel updates by the evening. You will get the updates for the next day on today itself. In that case, you can easily revise, okay, the next day topic. In groundnut, the food oil reserve is present in epicarp, mesocarp, endosperm, or cotyledons. In groundnut, the food or oil reserve is present in which one of the following part? Is it present in epicarp, or the mesocarp, or the endocarp, or the cotyledons? Since Unacademy subscription prices are going to increase very soon, I think from this month of September itself, September end, okay? So do not wait to miss this golden opportunity. Go buy your subscription as soon as possible. Do not wait to pay more, okay? Go buy your subscription, and as we know, the very good Vinay is on top position now. Shibani, do not lose your heart. Try again. Do not do negative marking. Okay, I like the competition. It keeps our spirit going. Take the competition in a healthy manner. Okay, in a healthy way. Competition should always be in a healthy way, in a positive way. Okay, and always never forget that you should always compete you with yourself only. Okay, be the best version of you. Okay, and each and every day be the better version of yourself. Okay, work hard and beat your previous level. Okay, work hard to improve yourself. Tegment develops from option A funiculus, option B chalaza, option C inner integument, option D outer integument. So tegment develops from which one of the following structures? Tegment develops from which one of the following structure? Students can participate in the quiz using the quiz ID 564971, but only through an Academy Learning app. Only through an Academy Learning app. Okay. New banana plant develops from another important question directly from your NCRT, right? New banana plant develops from rhizome, sucker, stolon, or seed. A new banana plant develops from, is it rhizome, sucker, or stolon, or seed? I will be live again today at 5 p.m. and today I'm going to start chapter 2 of the first unit, Diversity in Living World. I'm going to start biological classification. So we're about to start biological classification. So do join the session to clear all your concepts, okay? And again at 6:45 I will be live. I'll be discussing secondary growth in plants. Any one of you who have any confusion from the secondary structures or the secondary growth in plants can join the session. The 6:45 session is at Unacademy Learning app. Okay, download Unacademy Learning app, the same app from which you are participating in this quiz session, and follow me on the Unacademy Learning app. Okay, follow my profile over there to get all the updates of my timings. And today's class is about secondary growth. I'm taking a special class today. So which one yields fibers? Coconut, oak, teak, or sessile? Which one yields fibers? Coconut, oak, teak, or sessile? Try not to do negative marking. Okay? If you are not sure about any question, just leave it simply. Do not attempt it. Attempt only those questions for which you are 100% sure. Okay? Most of you got it right. Vinay again on top one position, followed by Shibani, followed by Amrita. Very good. Rest all of you are also improving. Very good. So micropyle seed is involved in the passage of male gametes, pollen tube, water or gases. Micropyle of seed is involved in the passage of, is it the male gamete, is it the pollen tube, is it the water or the gases? All the updates regarding the upcoming quizzes, like for example the topic for tomorrow's quiz, will be available on Let's Crack NEET UG in English by the evening. So do follow the channel to get all the updates of the upcoming classes as well. For example, tomorrow's classes timings will also be available on this particular channel, Let's Crack NEET UG in English. Okay, and as I've already discussed, we have started a brand new batch called as Ignite batch. Okay, the complete syllabus of NEET UG will be covered in this Ignite batch, and daily you are having classes of physics, chemistry, and biology. Okay, and the sequence of the chapters will be according to the NCRT. So micropyle, let's see what happened. Only 25% of you got it right. Do not do negative marking. At least be consistent with your scores. If you are not improving, at least be consistent with your scores. Okay. Do not answer the question if you don't know the answer, if you're not sure about it. Last three questions. Question number 27. Fruit of groundnut is a legume or a caryopsis or berry or nut. Now, in morphology, we know there is criteria of classifying fruits. Okay. So fruit of groundnut is legume, caryopsis, berry or nut. Let's see. Gets it right. Although it is a easy question, although it is a easy question, students, don't forget you are earning referral points. Okay, you are earning virtual money. You can spend those referral points in buying any of the Unacademy subscription online. Okay, and to get an extra discount of 10%, you can use my referral code AG001. And let's see. Okay, so now the scores. There we are seeing a gap. First and the second performer. Looking at the floral diagram, what is the correct floral formula? Direct from your NCRT. You have to identify the correct floral formula. You have been taught in this chapter how to write the floral formula of flowering plants, and the separate keywords are discussed in details. I will be also discussing about everything in my classes when I'll be taking the classes of morphology in Ignite batch sharp at 5 p.m. every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, I am live with class 12 chapters. Okay. Apart from this, I am also live in my special classes on Unacademy Learning app. Looking at the floral diagram, what is the correct floral formula? Floral diagram is given on your NCRT textbook. Okay. You have to identify the correct floral formula. Let's see you got it right. Most of you did a silly mistake. Only some of you got it right. Hey, Amrita. Good. Last second question. Question number 29. Coconut fruit is a berry, nut, capsule, or drupe? Which among the following category? From among which of the following category coconut fruit falls? So coconut fruit is a berry, nut, capsule, or drupe. Not do negative marking. Coconut fruit is a berry or nut or capsule or drupe. You can participate in this quiz session only through Unacademy Learning app. Keep this awesome app on your smartphone always, okay? Because there are some excellent features, some special classes, quiz sessions, okay, that are absolutely free of cost. That are absolutely free of cost. Go explore them. They're definitely gonna benefit you. Okay? Very good. I'm proud that each one of you are improving. Okay, each one of you are improving, and I think you have taken this point into consideration. You're not doing negative marking. At least you are trying. Last question of today's quiz session. The term polyadelphous is related to gynoecium, androecium, corolla, or calyx. So the term polyadelphous is related to which among the following structures? Is it the gynoecium? Is it the androecium? Is it the corolla or the calyx? Today's this session is about the quiz. In quiz session, we just take the quiz session. We don't since the timer is on, we don't get the time to discuss about these things. But we will be discussing about the topics in details in our regular classes. I'm live daily at 5 p.m. Okay, in Let's Crack NEET UG in English, 3 days a week. I'm live with class 11 chapters, and currently today I'm going to start biological classification, and also Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, I'm live with class 12 topic at the same time, 5 p.m. At 12 p.m., I'm live daily with brand new quiz sessions, the topic from the NEET UG syllabus. Okay, so most of you got it right. Very good. So now we have our performers, we have our top performers. So let us see the leaderboard. Let us see the leaderboard. Congratulations, Vinay, Shibani, Amrita. You guys did really well. Okay, Vinay and Shibani, you were very close to each other, right? The scores were almost overlapping most of the time. So in the first half of the quiz, Shibani was in the first position, then Vinay overtook. Very good. This shows that you guys really have a good command, but there is still a chance of confusion. Oh, revise the chapter once again. Amrita, you also did really well. Anik, Shivraj, Nitin, Neha, you know, and Manoj Kumar. You guys, you need to revise, okay? Because there are certain, confusion. And Nisha, Sona, Surbhi, you read the concepts first of all, because you don't have the concept clarity, and also you need to recall the examples, okay? So again, very good. Oh, you guys have done a really good job because you have participated in the quiz. At least for this, 50 minutes, you know that what sort of questions are being asked from this chapter. Normally, what is seen that in case of physics and chemistry, we do a lot of question practice, but we take biology for granted. And that is why I'm live daily at 12 p.m. to make your habit, okay, of solving questions in biology. That is why this is the purpose of these 12 p.m. quiz sessions, okay? So try to solve as many questions as possible in biology to really score good, and target 360 marks out of 360 in biology, because this is possible. Each and every question is from NCRT, so it is possible to score 100%, okay, 360 out of 360, okay? And for that, you need to be pretty sure, you need to be pretty confident, okay? Once again, I'll be telling you my timings. See, as you know, we have started a brand new batch called Ignite batch, okay? So Ignite batch is for all those students who are currently in class 11th or class 12th or class 12th pass out also, and those who are preparing for NEET 2021. For example, this 12th and 12th pass out students, they will be targeting NEET 2021, and class 11th, you will be eligible for NEET 2022. So all of you can, join this batch. What is the speciality of this batch? That all the complete syllabus, the physics, chemistry, and biology will be taught to you. Okay, the in a, the complete syllabus of NEET will be covered, and each and every day, regularly, you are having, in fact, the classes of physics, chemistry, and biology regularly. Each educator has defined time. For example, I am live daily at 5 p.m. I am live daily at 5 p.m. Okay, from Monday to Sunday, I can say. On Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I am teaching class 11 topic, and currently I am discussing biological classification. On Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, class 12 topic, and currently, yesterday only I have finished microsporogenesis, and tomorrow classes I am going to discuss about microgametogenesis, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. After that, we'll be starting genetics, okay? And apart from this, every Sunday, students, every Sunday I have this special quiz and NCRT session, okay? I take NCRT session of the chapter which I have taught in the previous week. For example, if I'll be teaching biological classification this week, then on the Sunday itself I'll be taking the NCRT session online, okay? And along with the quiz session. So quiz is also there every Sunday at 12 p.m. for class 12 topic. At 12 p.m., same NCRT and quiz session for class 12 students, and at 5 p.m., same NCRT and quiz session for class 11 students. Okay, student? Now, I'm also live on Unacademy Learning app. Okay, you can check my timings on Unacademy Learning app for my special classes by following my profile on that app. Okay, the link for my profile is provided in the description box. And now, one more important thing, I've already covered energetics of respiration, the complete mechanism of respiration in plants, the core chapter of plant physiology. Okay, so any one of you who have any doubts can go watch my lecture over there. Also, I have covered the mechanism of cell division. I have discussed the basics and the mitosis and then meiosis. Okay, and in today's class, I'm going to discuss the secondary growth. I'm going to start the secondary growth in plants. Okay, and today's class is at 6:45 p.m. 6:45 p.m. Today's class, special class, and it takes place in Unacademy Learning app. Okay, students. So see you again today evening. Okay, and then we'll study some new interesting thing. So thanks for joining, thanks for coming. Keep practicing, keep learning, and as Unacademy says, let's crack it. Okay, so that's it